Make 2 to 3 lakhs per month with Paxful. The 4 steps involved in this video are: Step 1, creating an account in Paxful. Step 2, purchasing bitcoins. It is better to start with an initial investment of 1 lakh. Step 3, creating, sell and buy bitcoin offers. Step 4, selling and buying bitcoins. Make initial investment of 1 lakh rupees. Daily estimated sales 1 lakh. After selling the bitcoins, purchase bitcoins with that. Daily sales estimated to be 1 lakh, and you are maintaining a net profit of 4%. Then you will make 4,000 per month, per day profit. In that way you will make 4,000 into 30, 1 lakh 20 rupees in a month, so that you will get your investment just in a 1 month, and later on you will make huge amount of profit. Hi friends, watch the video till the end, because this 25 minutes video is going to change your entire life. You can easily make 2 to 3 lakhs per month by selling and buying bitcoins in Paxful platform. If you are able to make a single sale, you can make hundreds of sales and even thousands of sales. In such a way you can make a huge amount of money easily. Please like and comment this video so that it will reach so many people. Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how to create a Paxful account in Paxful. Here you have to enter your email ID, and then create your password. After entering the password, click on create an account. Then a verification box will open. Then solve the verification box. Then the verification OTP will be sent to your email which have you given. Enter the email ID here in this box. Then it will automatically confirms the OTP. Then here is the new account open for us. Drag see the notification and scroll it down. For read more, I understand, click on I understand. And then here is your profile ready for use. This is the profile. This is dashboard. Click on my profile. This is profile, the profile name, and you got email verified, but phone is not verified, and ID is also not verified till now. Now click on profile, click on settings, and then here you have to enter your mobile number. After giving your mobile number, click on verify. Then you will get a OTP. Then give the OTP in this box and click on submit. Then your account will be verified. Then you got your account is verified with mobile and email ID. Now scroll down it. and click on save changes. Now changes made to your account are saved successfully. Now I am going to tell you how to verify your ID in Paxful account. For that purpose, click on my profile. Here is your profile. Here your account is verified with mobile and email ID. Now you need to get your ID verification in this account. For that purpose, click on profile and click on verify me. After clicking, read the instructions and click on continue. Read the ID verification instructions given by the Paxful and scroll it down. Select country as select the country where from are you. Click on the and select the type of ID: passport, driving license, and any national ID like Aadhaar card. After selecting the ID you want to use, start verification process. After clicking on start verification process, you will be redirected to the verification page. Here you need to verify using the following three type of methods. Mostly mobile verification method is very useful. Why? Because your face is used for verification purpose. So select your mobile number, select mobile as verification method, and here enter your email ID and click on send. After clicking send, the verification process will be sent through email to your mail ID, and click in that mail and get your account verification. It is simple and everything is self-explanatory, no need to hurry. Now I am going to explain how to purchase bitcoins in Paxful. Click on buy bitcoins button. After that enter 1 lakh in the amount column and select currency as INR, Indian Nation Rupee, or the currency whichever you want to buy, and click on search button. There you will find the following results. I will explain the basic terminologies. This is seller profile name, and he has 172 positive feedbacks, and the mode of payment is bank transfer, and these are the trade tags given by the seller, and the average speed of this trade is 3 minutes. The seller is selling bitcoins at 5.11 above the market price. You can purchase from 15,000 to 5 lakhs, any amount in between 15,000 to 5 lakhs. For purchasing purpose, click on buy button. Then the purchase page will open. After clicking on that, enter the amount in the amount column and click on buy now. For explaining purpose, I am showing you how to purchase bitcoins. Now I am purchasing bitcoins for 1000 rupees. Payment method anyone. In amount column enter 1000 rupees and select currency as INR, and then click search for offers. There the results for the here this is seller name, profile name, and he has 26 feedbacks, and the payment method is cash in person. He is selling 4.64 premium. You can purchase between 225 to 2000. Now I am purchasing from this seller. You can buy between 500 to 2000. For purchasing purpose, click on the button buy. Then you will be redirected to the page. This page here, you are purchasing for 1000 rupees. For 1000 rupees, you will get 955 rupees worth of bitcoins. And then click on and then click on buy now button. Now the trade page is opened. This is the trade page. After making payment, you have to click on I have paid button. If you are not willing to buy, click on cancel button. This is the chart. This is the message box. Here you have to enter messages, and this is upload button. Say hi. First of all, say hi, and then ask that I want to buy bitcoins from you. After that, ask for payment details for making payment. After that, the seller will send you the payment details. Make him the payment and upload that screenshot by using the upload button. After uploading the screenshot, click on I have paid, so that he will check the screenshot and will release your bitcoins. Don't forget to upload the screenshot, and as soon as you upload the screenshot, click on the button I have paid, so that your bitcoins and money will be safe. That is the process of purchasing bitcoins. Hi friends, now I am going to tell you how to create an sale offer in Paxful. First of all, click on create an offer. After that, select sale bitcoin, and then scroll down. Here select the method of payment. For example purpose, I am selecting PhonePe as payment method. After that, scroll down the page. There select the currency. After that, click on next step. Then here second stage is trade pricing. Here usually sell bitcoins based on market price. So select market price, and then here percentage above the market rate you offer will list at. That means the premium at which you are want to sell the bitcoins. Usually keep it 5 plus 5, so that you can make a very high number of sales in a day. As many sales you do, the amount of trade will be high, so that your profit will be high. So that keep it 5%. After that, scroll down the page. Here the offer trade limits. so that the buyer can purchase in between these two amounts only. 1000 rupees, usually keep it the maximum keep it to 2 lakh, so that your amount will be adjusted automatically. Keep 30 minutes as a trade time. After that, click on next step. Here select the offer tags, any three of the offer tags which suits for your offer. I am selecting no verification and online payment as offer tags. After that, scroll down the page. Here your offer label, you can select anything as it fit for your offer. After that, here give your offer terms for the buyer. I am giving fast and genuine trading. You can give anything as you like. After that, scroll down the page. Here in this box, give the trade instructions which the buyer has to follow. I am giving BCT and BTC trader, and then scroll down the page. Here verification requires your trade partner to have verified this their ID. If you select this, then the unverified seller buyers cannot trade with you. Target country, you can select any specific country or leave this option. Usually leave it empty so that you can get many trade visibility. Show this offer only to the users in your list, trusted list. Do not select this offer. If you select this offer, only trusted people in your offer can buy from you. Required offers currency to match your buyer current country. So leave this option also empty. Minimum trade required, leave this one also empty. Fiat limit new for a new account, leave this one also empty, so that you can get a maximum number of trades. That's why I am telling you to leave them empty. After that, limit by countries, you can disallow any of the country and allow any country specifically. Usually I don't disallow or allow any country. I trade with all the countries. After that, scroll down. Usually select the working hours as I use it to trade whole the week, 12 am to 12 am. That means my offer will be visual to the buyers 24/7, so that I can get maximum trades from the buyers or sellers. After completion of all this process, click on create an offer, so that your offer will be created. Similarly, how you create the sale offers, create the buy offers also. Maintain +1 for the buy offer. That means you are willing to pay 1% above the market price, and sell bitcoins at above 5%, that is +5. That you are selling bitcoins at 5% above the market price. Between the difference between the 4%, 5% and 1% is 4%. That means your margin is net 4%. That means whenever you sell and buy and sell 10,000 BTC worth of BTC, then you will get a margin of 400 rupees. Similarly, create the 4 offers. To see the offers which you have created, click on dashboard. There you will see the offers which you have created. As I explained in the example, using the similar method, I have created 4 offers. One bank transfer under Google Pay and IMPS and Phone Pay methods. In these 4 methods, I use to trade. This is on and off button. Now the trade is on. Now the trade is off. Similarly, on and off, on and off. This one is also like that. Similarly, always keep your trades on so that they will be visible to the buyers and can. I'm going to explain how you can make on an average per month using Paxful. He has 494 positive feedbacks and 2 negative feedbacks. In this profile, he using English language. He has 1010 trade partners and 2378 traders. He has made turnover between 700 to 300 BTC, that is nearly 7 crores to 21 crores within the span of 1 year. If we calculate on an average 200 BTC were sold at on an average price of 7 lakhs, that is 140 lakhs, 1400 lakhs, 1400 lakhs into 4%, that is his margin, that is 56 lakhs in profit. So that if we take 56 lakhs by 12, he has made nearly 4,67,000 per month. In the same way, another person, he has 5391 positive feedbacks, 0 negative feedbacks. His language, he selected the language as English and Hindi. He has 7824 trade partners with 1807 trades. He has made a turnover between 100 to 200 300 bitcoins. Similarly, this person is also might have the profit of 56 lakhs on this total turnover. If we take this 48 months, 56 lakh by 48 months, that is nearly 1,16,000. Similarly, other person having 594 positive feedbacks with 2 negative feedbacks. He selected the language English and he has 1010 trade partners with 2378 traders. He has made a turnover of 100 to 300 bitcoins within the span of 1 year. Similarly, he has also made a profit of 4,67,000 per month. Just in a month, he has made nearly 4,60,000 profit.